Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick comparison of some floor mat dressings, right? Some spray-on products that are intended to treat floor mats like these. These are WeatherTech floor mats. They're not heavily used, right? Like I don't I don't go to job sites and I don't do construction or anything like that, But these are these are just kind of daily use. I do have kids, I do have a family, right? So there's people stepping on them, dirt, dust, just typical things like that. So what I've already done to these floor mats is I cleaned them with some APC and a drill brush, right? Rinsed them off, let them dry. That's kind of my typical process for cleaning them. Like I said, they're not super heavily worn, but one of the things that I want you to note here, guys, is one of these, the floor mats there in the front, one of them is already treated and one of them is not, right? And on camera and to my eyes, it is really, really, really hard to tell the difference between them, so the feel of them is very similar. The color is very similar, right? This left one here, looks a little bit darker. I don't even know if that comes up on camera, but the difference is super, super minimal, right? Almost impossible to tell by look or by feel. Okay, sorry about that. I had to take a quick pause. My neighbor's dog was going nuts. All right, so I'm gonna surprise you with one more thing here, right? So this left floor mat here has been treated half on one side with a very popular product, Koch Chemie Gummifix. There's an empty strip in the middle that's untreated, and then here on the right side is a mystery product. Right? Now, before I reveal that mystery product, you've got to promise me that you're going to continue watching this video, right, and not give up on me, all right? Because this product, as soon as I reveal it, you're going to be like, what is this guy thinking, all right? But look, I want to be clear, right? The purpose of this video is not to recommend a product, right? It's to highlight the fact that there is very, very minimal difference between treated, untreated, and treated with another product that I'm about to reveal. So, without further ado, here's your mystery product. Orange bottle, Armorall, what? Right? We're not supposed to be using Armorall, right? Armorall's not a good product. But look, here, I'm gonna introduce you guys to an Armorall product that you may not have heard of. So this is heavy duty non-slip protectant. All right, it's not really sold in many places. I found it at Walmart. This costs about $7, guys. $7. All right, this, now it's a much bigger bottle, right? Costs $33, right? So $33 versus $7. I should be able to tell a difference. Untreated, Armorall, I can't tell a difference. Feels the same. Slight difference in feel. Feels the same as the Gummifix, right? These two products, when you apply them, all right? When you apply them, they apply exactly the same, right? I'm gonna give a little spray here, right? I'm gonna wipe that in, okay? I'm gonna just treat that corner right there. It looks fine, but it didn't do much. A little over here of this Armorall no slip. Rub it in. Again, didn't do much, right? So why are we buying these products, guys? Why is Gummifix $33 for that so highly recommended, right? When I can't tell the difference between that and a $7 bottle of Armorall. I'm serious. Like, the only difference between these two products, Gummifix has a real strong alcohol smell, and it's kind of a clear blue liquid, right? This Armorall product has kind of a milky look to it, like a kind of a whitish gray, and it has a slightly sweet smell, okay? But that's it. That's the only difference. Again, treated area, no difference at all right? Now, I'm going to recommend, now I'm actually going to make a recommendation, right, for a product that some of you may have heard of, right? Some of you may have not. And it's this right here, Mother's VLR. Okay, so this floor mat I treated about an hour ago with the Mother's VLR, and I'm not sure if it comes across on camera, guys, but the Mother's VLR gives it a darker black look to it, right? It looks to me more like a brand new floor mat, right, than either the Gummifix or the Armorall, right? Again, the difference is very, very slight, and I don't even know if it comes across on camera, but it just looks darker and newer. And this is the, this is the driver's side floor mat, so it does have some scuffs to it. And this product does a little bit better job of like hiding those scuffs and things, right? Again, slight, subtle difference. But this costs about $8, guys, and it's a big bottle. It's 24 ounces, and you can use it on a lot of different things. I actually really like this as a tire dressing. It gives the tires a nice dark black look. It doesn't attract dust. It goes on super easy. It doesn't last a long time, but what do you expect for $8? It's easy enough to apply that I can do it every week, every time I wash the car, and it's not a big deal. So anyway, don't buy this stuff. Don't even buy that stuff. Buy that stuff, right? I think you'll be happy. You won't spend a lot of money. A little bit of that stuff goes a long way. Make sure to shake the bottle. It's kind of an oily product, right? Like it talks about how it has like some conditioners and stuff in it, but it's not slippery, okay? It's not slippery. You wipe it on, spray it on, wipe it in, and it'll have a slick feeling at first, but this stuff just eats it up, right? Like the mat just soaks it up, tires just soak it up. If you give it about 20 minutes, right, that slick feeling goes away. It's perfectly safe. I wouldn't recommend something that wasn't safe, guys. I promise you nothing oily, nothing greasy. Just give it 15-20 minutes for it to do its thing. So anyway, I hope this was interesting. I hope this helps you. I hope this saves you some money. Don't buy Gummifix. Let me know if you have any other floor mat products that you like. Thanks.